Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set up and select a payment method for your Uber ride. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Uber app on your phone. Once it loads up, you'll see the search bar right at the top of your screen. Click on it and enter your pickup location, followed by your drop-off destination. This is how Uber calculates your fare and shows you the available ride options in your area. Take a moment to make sure both locations are correct before moving forward. After you've entered your locations, the app will display several ride options for you to choose from. These are your gathering options, and they include different types of rides depending on what's available in your area. For example, you might see UberX, which is the standard affordable option for everyday rides. You could also see other choices like Uber Comfort, Uber 40, or even Uber Green depending on your preferences and budget. For now, let's say you want to go with UberX. Before you confirm your ride, you'll need to set up how you're going to pay for it. Look for the option that says Select Payment Method and click on it. This will take you to a screen where you can view and manage all your available payment options. It's an important step because you won't be able to request a ride until a payment method is connected to your account. Once you're on the payment screen, you'll see several options to choose from. You can add a credit or debit card, connect your PayPal account, or even use a gift card if you have one. Each option works seamlessly within the app, so just pick the one that's most convenient for you. Click on your preferred payment method and follow the prompts to connect your account. If you're adding a card, you'll need to enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. If you're using PayPal, you'll be redirected to log in and authorize the connection. The process is quick and secure, so don't worry about your information being compromised. After you've successfully connected your payment method, go back to the main ride selection screen. You'll now see that your payment is ready to go. From here, click on Choose UberX or whichever ride option you selected earlier. This confirms your choice and gets you ready to request your ride. Your selected payment method will automatically be charged once your trip is complete, so there's no need to handle cash or worry about payment during the ride. And that's it. You've successfully set up your payment method and selected your ride on Uber. Now you're all set to request rides whenever you need them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.